Okay, let's talk about grammar. Question words. What are question words? Question words are the key to unlocking information in conversation, investigation, and problem solving. From who to where, what, when, why, and how. These powerful words prompt inquiries about people, places, events, reasons, methods, and more. In this brief guide, we will explore the usage of question words and their role in facilitating effective communication and knowledge acquisition. Let's embark on a journey of curiosity and discovery. Number one, who? Who is used to inquire about people. For example, who is coming to the party? Answering questions beginning with who. Direct answer. This provides a straightforward response identifying the person or people in the question. For example, who is the CEO of this company? John Smith is the CEO of this company. That's a direct answer. Second one, incomplete information. We use this if the complete identity of a person is unknown. Provide whatever information is available. Who was the woman at the party? I'm not sure, but she works in marketing. So here we don't know who the woman is exactly, but the information we have is she works in marketing. Number three, qualifications. Sometimes the answer has to be qualified or explained further. For example, who won the Nobel Prize in Literature? Toni Morrison won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1993 for her novel exploring the African American experience. Referring to a group. If the question refers to a group of people, the answer should identify the group or provide relevant information about it. For example, who are the members of the board? The board members include the CEO, the CFO, and 3 independent directors. Number 5, indirect response. In some cases, you may respond indirectly by asking for clarification or providing relevant information. Let's look at the example. Who is in charge of the project? Are you asking about the project manager or the team lead? Okay, so that's all about who. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is what. We use what to inquire about things or actions. Example, what is your favorite color? Answering questions beginning with what. Direct answer. This provides a straightforward response and addresses the specific inquiry. Example, what is the capital city of Zimbabwe? Harare is the capital city of Zimbabwe. Number 2, description and explanation. This provides a description and explanation to address the question, e.g., what is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption because of its compelling storyline and powerful performances. Number 3, specifications. Offer specific details or information requested in the question. What color is your car? My car is red. This is simple, right? Okay, then we have qualification or clarification. Clarify or the question or provide additional context if necessary. What is the purpose of this project? The purpose of this project is to improve customer satisfaction by streamlining our service delivery process. And then we go to the last one, comparison or choice. This one, we use it to compare options or provide a choice based on the question. What is better, tea or coffee? It depends on personal preference, but I prefer coffee for its bold flavor. So that is all about what. And then we move on to the next one. The next one is where. We use where to inquire about places or locations. For example, where is the nearest supermarket? Answering questions beginning with where. Direct answer. Provide a specific location or addresses in response to the question. Where is the nearest gas station? The nearest gas station is on Main Street, just 2 blocks away. Number 2, special description. Describe the location or surroundings to address the question. Where is the library located? The library is located in the city center next to the park. Number 3, direction and destination. Provide information about the direction or destination as requested. Where are you going? I'm going to the grocery store to buy some groceries. Event location. This specifies the venue or location where the event will take place. Where is the concert venue? The concert venue is at the amphitheater in the park. And the last one is temporal location. This provides information about a specific time and place as requested. Where were you at 3 o'clock yesterday? I was at home studying for my exams. And that's all for where. And we move on to when. We use when to inquire about time and occasions. For example, when is your birthday? Answering questions beginning with when. Direct answer. This provides a specific time or date in response to the question. For example, when is your birthday? My birthday is on May 15th. Number 2, temporal location. This specifies the time and duration as requested. When is the meeting scheduled? The meeting is scheduled for 3 p.m. tomorrow. Frequency. Provide information about frequency or regularity of an activity. When do you usually wake up in the morning? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. during weekdays. Duration. Specify the duration or period in question. When will you return from your vacation? I will return from my vacation on Friday. Then we go to why. We use why to inquire about reasons of motives, e.g., why did you choose this book? Answering questions beginning with why. 1. Provide a reason. Offer a reason or motive to explain the action, decision, or event. Why are you studying for the exam? I'm studying for the exam to achieve a good grade and pursue my academic goals. Explain the cause. Describe the underlying cause or reason behind the situation. Why is the plant wilting? The plant is wilting because it hasn't been watered for several days. Justify the decision. Provides justification or rationale for the action or decision. Why did you make the decision? Why did you make that decision? I made that decision based on careful analysis and consideration of the available options. Justify the decision. Provide the justification or rationale for the action or decision. Why did you make that decision? I made that decision because I made that decision based on careful analysis and consideration of the available options. Okay, for clarify or clarify or elaborate. Clarify or provide further explanation if necessary. Why should I invest in this company? You should invest in this company because it has a strong track record for profitability and promising future growth potential. And then we go to how. We use how to inquire about the manner or method of doing something. For example, how do you make a cake? How do you bake a cake? Answering questions beginning with how. Describe the method. Explain the step, process, or method used to achieve the desired outcome. How do you bake a cake? To bake a cake, you need to mix the ingredients, pour the butter into the greased pan, and bake it in the oven at the specific temperature for a certain amount of time. Provide information and conditions. Offer information about the current state, conditions, or status. How is the project progressing? The project is progressing well. We have completed the initial phase and are now moving on to the next stage. Quantify or measure. Provide the measurements of quantity or degree of in response to the question, how tall is the Eiffel Tower? The Eiffel Tower is approximately 330 meters tall. Which? We use which to inquire about choice or selection among alternatives, e.g., which movie do you want to watch? Answering questions beginning with which. Specify the choice. Provide a specific option or selective from the given alternatives. Which book do you prefer? I prefer To Kill a Mockingbird. Comparison and preference. Compares options and express a preference among the alternatives. Which color do you like best? I like blue the best because it reminds me of the ocean. Identification or clarification. Identify the specific item or option requested. Which car is yours? The blue sedan parked by the entrance is mine. Offer criteria or explanation. Provide criteria or reasoning behind the selection. Which restaurant serves the best pizza? I think Longest Pizza serves the best pizza because of their authentic Italian ingredients and crispy crust. Conclusion. In summary, question words are essential tool for seeing information and understanding from who to how, why guide to how they guide inquiries and prompt deeper discussions. By mastering these words and knowing how to respond to questions, beginning with them, we enhance our communication and problem solving skills. Let's embrace their power to unlock knowledge and facilitate meaningful interactions. So, for today, we will stop here, and the next time we will continue on another path. Let's see and try to improve our knowledge. Bye bye.